Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this Volkswagen Golf TDI. It's a 2013 plate. It's done just over 55,000 miles. It's finished in the limestone grey colour. It does have these custom alloy wheels on. We'll give it a full 2-year warranty, 142-point check inspection, and if you decide to buy on PCP you'll also get a free 2-year service plan. So lots of peace of mind, especially with a car this age. It's done really low mileage for its age, especially as it's a diesel, and you get all that peace of mind with the 2-year warranty as well, and your roadside assistance. I'll show you the boot. It is quite a clean car inside and out. Got your boot. You've also got spare wheel in here. Don't think it's ever been used or used, maybe once or twice. I'll take you inside the car and then I'll tell you a bit more of the benefits about the approved used Volkswagen scheme. So you've got your semi-digital display there, fuel gauge and your rev counter and everything. 6.5-inch infotainment screen with your physical buttons on the side, really easy to use. Air conditioning, 5-speed manual gearbox, electronic handbrake. On this one you just put your foot on the brake and then press that down and you can go. You've got your light control up here. The back seats, 3 seats in the back, or you can have 2 seats with that armrest comes out the middle. So it's quite a comfortable car, and as you can see the seats are in really good condition. Quite clean inside. Just turn this off so you can, it's got adaptive cruise control. I'll just deactivate it for now so you can see the mileage. It's done 529, so only 52,000 miles. Really low mileage again for a diesel. It's really good. Got adaptive cruise control, and then you can also put your phone with your Bluetooth on there. Really good. Media as well, you've got Bluetooth for your audio, so really nice to have that, as well as your DAB radio. You've got DAB radio and FM radio, so you can change that. It's a really useful system. I'll show you the outside of the car and I'll tell you a few more benefits about the Volkswagen approved use scheme. We will give it a full valet and everything before you buy it, and we do off test drive, so if you do want, you can buy it over the phone and pay £139 for nationwide delivery, or you can come down and test drive it, get a good feel for it, leave your deposit, and then you can go on from buying it from there. If you have any questions about this car or any other of our cars, please do not hesitate to contact us. We do have quite a few Golfs in stock, different price ranges, engines, gearboxes, so if this one's not the one for you, we do have other ones and we can order one in if you need something specific. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.